ini udah gini. Ini guys, yang bikin duduk-duduk jadi dengnya.
Halo guys, ikutin aku ya. Jangan lupa subscribe, dan komennya, dan loncengnya. Dadah.
Selamat datang di channel Dari Pratama. Kali ini gue mau ngebenerin dari dashboard ataupun airbag yang ada di dashboard mobil Terios gue, karena sepengalaman dari temen-temen yang sudah pernah menceritakannya ke gue, itu sering bunyi seperti geladak-geluduk di suaranya itu terdengar dari dashboardnya. Nah, itu ternyata dudukan dari airbagnya pada dashboard itu tidak menempel atau masih ada celah kelonggar. Ketika kita dipegang itu memang longgar gitu, seperti ini. Ini dia nih. Nah, kita akan coba dulu muter seperti apa bunyinya. Nanti kita bongkar, habis itu kita coba muter lagi setelah lakukan perapatan ya. Oke, tunggu ya.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Mantap. Jangan lupa di subscribe, like, dan komennya, dan juga share ke teman-teman kalian jika video ini bermanfaat untuk teman-teman dan juga kerabat-kerabat yang mungkin punya mobil Terios atau Ras yang kendalanya sama, yaitu dashboardnya bunyi seperti ada getaran yang kencang di dashboardnya itu. Oke.